YEIDA has just approved a 4% increase in allotment rates effective April 1st. Under the new pricing structure, residential plots will increase from 35,000 rupees to 36,260 rupees per square meter, while commercial plots will increase from 70,000 to 72,510 rupees per square meter. Group housing projects are going to be 54,380 rupees a square meter, and residential township plots will cost 40,670 rupees a square meter. This only means one thing: as we reach towards airport inauguration, things are heating up. There is so much investor demand. Everybody wants to put their money in YEIDA. The entry is still very low, so make hay while the sun shines.